Hi there. Thank you for joining me again on our reading lesson program. I call it Reading with Miss Gina because I am Miss Gina, and hopefully I'm going to help you learn some ways that you can read anything you want for the rest of your life. Yeah, really. It first starts with knowing your sounds, which hopefully you've learned some either with me or somebody else. And now what we're going to do is we're going to take sounds that you know and we're going to put them together. And so, for example, if I said to you, I, you might be a little confused. What? I think she's trying to say hi to me, but I'm not sure, right? So, when we talk, we put all these sounds that we know together, right? We put them together so that we can let other people know what we mean. And when we write things down, like what you see on the page there, that's to tell people what we're trying to sound out. So in this lesson, what I want you to practice is putting those two sounds together. And I'm going to go through it with you, but think of it for a second. If I said I instead of hi, it would be a little confusing for you, right? So this is going to help you start practicing how to join those two things together. Hi. Okay. A lot of times I'm going to be looking down because I have to do the computer and I'm using a pen here to point and click the button for the next page. Okay. But I'll be with you. All right. So the first things I want you to take a look at are, let me get a pointer here for you. I'm sorry for the delay. Here we go. I'm just going to be a spotlight. So I'm going to say the sounds and then I'm going to have you say them with me. Okay, here we go. So we got ah, eh, and it. Now you say them, please. Yeah, very good. If you didn't remember them, that's okay. Just go ahead and look again. You're just learning, right? You can't remember everything all at once, no matter how good a memory we have. Okay, so the other sounds are t, n. Let me go back here on these two. So the is kind of like that was good. Closing your mouth. And then this one for nest or no is going to be more like you put. So pretend my thumb is your tongue, right? So your tongue could go up there. No. Or a nest. Okay. All right. So the next one we have is and okay, so your turn. We have turtle, monkey, nest, fish, sun, pear. All right, awesome. Do you remember what that one is? Okay, so we're going to start with the red box for t. Ta, ta, ti, ta, te. This time before we move on, we're going to do this again. We're going to go quicker. Ta, ta, ti, ta, te. Very nice. We're going to do it one more time, even faster. Are you up for it? I think you are. Ta, ta, ti, ta, te. Yay. Okay, here we go. We're going to do the blue box now. And we're still heading towards, but this time we're starting with the other sounds. All righty. I'm going to do arrow for this one. All right, here it goes. At, it, ought, at. Great. Here we go. We're going to go a little quicker. At, it, ought, at. I paused for a second there because there is a word at, like I'm at my office right now. And you might be at home or at a soccer game watching or something. I don't know where you are, but that's what at is. It describes where something is. And then there was it in there also.